And when they swing that way to the right, you swing to the left, you heard?
Bobby,
Woo! Damn, I ain't been broke in a minute. Don't get it.
Alright guys, we kind of got out here not too long ago. Forgot to record, but just caught this nice big one. We're flipping some nice shallow, thick weeds, some craws. Just got this big one. We're gonna let it go. Here, I'll get the oops. Man, my drag set. Oh, Robert.
Not that fool.
Don't flip.
Get him in the boat.
In. Robert with this chunker. Nice one.
That's it.
Big Camden's into one. Oh, he's wrapped up in my line. Hey, here we go.
Big hogs.
Big ones only. Got one, yeah. We got doubles. Here's mine. I think Cam's is bigger.
Oh yeah, mine.
Oh, yours big.
I could maybe net.
Oh!
Dude. Damn.
No. Take the L, bro.
That one was pretty big.
That was the biggest one by far of the day.
That was probably like a
But you
5
suck.
pounder. Right, and we just lost it.
Probably 10. Probably 10. Get the net.
8 pounder. What a tanker.
What a tank. There we go, baby.
Big hogs. It does not move. Oh, no, it just took my worm. Okay, good.
Oh crap, I don't have my drag.
Smart help at efiercetakecontrol.org. Brought to you by the Lupus Foundation of America and CDC.
What is this music?
Okay, you know how it feels when you've saved enough for that long-awaited home edition? Now imagine an edition on that.
Whatever is over here.
Hey, back to back. I was just unhooking Bobby's, and he caught about the smallest northern ever. That's what you call a snake.
Yes, sir.
Well, I'm gonna let this guy go.
Yeah, bro.
About as long as your hog we were just talking about, no?
Need a net, Steve?
I got the net.
Oh, it snapped off right there, dude. Oh, it's not bad.
Dude!
No.
Look at that!
Jump off. Go in.
I'm going to. Next fish I lose. Okay, go in.
Next fish I lose.
Hey, big one.
Oh shit.
Net. Get the net.
T-Mobile will build America's largest and most reliable 5G network. With more towers, more engineers, more bandwidth, and more coverage, you'll not only get the best 5G
Hey,
network in America,
that's actually big.
you'll get the best prices.
It looks a lot bigger.
Welcome to T-Mobile.
Show it to the camera, but I guess it's biggest, pretty big.
Like it, I spit it. I just came right out the jewelry, the ice on my neck and my wrist and my fist. I ain't finished. I was just working at Denny's. Came back and counted some millions. I ain't no regular civilian. Red, yellow, green. Look like my neck a chameleon. Okay, spin it. Damn.